channelizing thoughts and providing the right direction to fertile ideas is education. Vidya Group of Institutions firmly believes that role of an educator is to guide, direct and deliver talents that from the backbone of the society by nurturing the ideas and nurturing them with experience. Vidya Group comprises of colleges that are considered to be among the most promising colleges in the country. With over 4,000 students, the group offers 18 undergraduate programs and 25 postgraduate programs for the students to excel in their chosen paths. Motivated teaching, dedicated and enthusiastic approach and making full use of their rich experience make the faculty at Vidya Group outstanding. Over 40 acres of campus replete with world-class facilities, state-of-the-art laboratories, Wi-Fi facilities, digital libraries, research centers, smart classrooms, over 1,200 computers plugged to the internet, placement centers, hostels, indoor and outdoor sports facilities, cafeterias, prayer halls, etc. Apart from the students of Hyderabad and surrounding areas of Rangareddy district, the colleges have a healthy mix of students from different parts of the country. Vidya Group of Engineering Institutions has today grown into a symbol of comprehensive technical education offering BTech, MTech courses in various engineering discipline and management courses. Vidya Group offers BTech engineering courses, ECE, EEE, Mechanical, CSE, Civil, Information Technology and Petroleum Engineering, MTech engineering courses and management courses. At Vidya Group, placement is not considered as merely an event but a process. As a result of this meticulous approach, many companies tend to visit the campus year after year to recruit our students in a large numbers. Vidya Group has invested hugely to establish advanced research centers. The quality of research facilities and intellectual capital in the group has helped us establish a center of excellence in the field of mechanical and petroleum engineering. Another feature in the CAP is the Rs 3.8 crores research project in the field of mobile networks in the collaboration with the IIT Hyderabad, which has been provisionally allotted by the Government of India. For more details, contact Vidya Vihar Institute of Technology, formerly known as Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. MCET code LRDS. Vidya Vikas Institute of Technology, VVIT, Chevilla, Rangareddy district. MCET code VVIT. Vidya Vikas Engineering College, VVEC, Chevilla, Rangareddy district. MCET code VVEC. For more details, log on to www.vidyagroup.ac.in.